Hi, this is David Jackson. I'm your academic coordinator for secondary science here with Tulsa Public Schools. I had a question on the Google Classroom for our science teachers in Tulsa Public Schools. Does Tulsa Public Schools have access or accounts to any online peer-reviewed scientific journals? If you will look in About the District tab, the drop-down menu on the Tulsa Public Schools website, and then move over to Library Media Services, the statement "All research starts in the library" will give you the keys to the username, which is start, and the password, which is library. That gives us access to the TPS virtual library, and we are able to scroll down the page till we get to the science section. Also some articles on health that may be applicable. Oops, went too far. Science and technology, and you have choices for these next tabs. The Gale resources are really neat because we're able to post those articles and that information directly to our Google Classroom. I'll show you that, how to do that. But something that a lot of teachers use is the opposing viewpoints to start as a way for students to engage in academic discourse over a topic, and there are articles that will get you started there. But the question was about online journals, and so that's what we're going to look at and research. You click on the Gale resources for science and context, and you really need to just pick a topic. So because Hurricane Irma was a phenomenon which occurred recently and has a lot of application to different science classes and topics, we'll go with Hurricane Irma. Now, so with hurricanes as a topic, the question was about academic journals, and over on the side it lists that there are 348 different academic journals that we have access to. So we'll click on that. It takes me down and shows me 3, and these are all from the Bulletin of American Meteorological Society, but there are access to other ones if I click on the Academic Journal tab. As I scroll down, you see several from the Meteorological Society, but there's the Atmospheric Chemistry and Physics Journal, there's Geoscientific Model Developments, a Journal of Coastal Research. So there are quite a few articles that you have access to through the Gale resources. So let's say I'm going to just pick one, Genesis of Hurricane Nate. It could be any article or it's a report. You have a couple of choices for things that you can do with this article. Obviously you can email it to yourself, you can download it, you can print it. You can also share it on Google Classroom with your students. If you click the green Google Classroom tab, it will pop up a menu and allow you to choose a class where you can share that article, and you can post it directly to the article. These are all the articles that all the classrooms that I am a member of or an instructor in, and as long as I am signed in to Google Classroom and Google accounts, then I will have access to those classes and be able to post that. If I'm not signed in, then it won't allow me to do that because it won't be able to find my classroom. A couple of things that are really neat that help support those students who struggle with some of the vocabulary of science, or also especially our English language learners as they're developing their English skills. You got a couple of options to support them. First of all, if it's an English language learner, this article can be translated into many languages, not all the languages that our students in Tulsa Public Schools are speaking, but there are several choices, and it is definitely beneficial to English language development if they are able to read the information in their native language and also in English. It helps both with comprehension, and it also helps them be able to develop their English language skills. Also important in language development is the ability to listen to what's on the page and hear the words pronounced, and to help them to become fluent without fluency, and accuracy and fluency, or fluency skills. And it's really difficult for students to move into the phase of comprehension of the information. So Again, these are great resources. I know this is a short video. It's under 5 minutes, and hopefully it's something that was beneficial and answered the question. Thank you.